Also, the 1956 Nash Metropolitan Series III convertible, sky blue and snowberry white over black and white, 59,570 actual miles, 1,197 cc inline four with a 3-speed manual transmission. And it's very eclectic, this little car. You see them, and a lot of people see them and don't really know what they are or much about them, but they're very desirable. They're affordable, and you certainly won't go unnoticed at the local car show when you pull up in one, because there's really nothing else like it that you see out there.